गुरुजी हमारे आँखों के तारे, जीवन हमारा है अटका किनारे।
गुरुजी हमारे आँखों के तारे, जीवन हमारा है अटका किनारे।
दिल में है सपने हमारे अनेक, दिल में है सपने हमारे अनेक, मंजिल दिखा दो गुरुजी हमारे।
मंजिल दिखा दो गुरुजी हमारे।
गुरुजी हमारे आँखों के तारे, जीवन हमारा है अटका किनारे।
गुरुजी हमारे आँखों के तारे, जीवन हमारा है अटका किनारे।
लंबी से लंबी हो उम्र तुम्हारी, सदा हम चलेंगे वाणी पे तुम्हारी।
लंबी से लंबी हो उम्र तुम्हारी, सदा हम चलेंगे वाणी पे तुम्हारी।
प्रेम का बंधन न टूटे कभी, प्रेम का बंधन न टूटे कभी। गुरुजी हमारे आँखों के तारे, जीवन हमारा है अटका किनारे।
गुरुजी हमारे आँखों के तारे, जीवन हमारा है अटका किनारे।
Respected Principal, my dear teachers and my beloved students. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's birthday is celebrated on 5th September. He was born in 1888 near Chennai, and he had his initial studies in Chennai, and later he continued his college studies in Madras University. He was the professor of philosophy in University of Mysore, and later in 1921 he served at Calcutta University. In 1923 he was called to Oxford University to deliver lectures in Indian philosophy, where he used this platform to India's cause for freedom. In 1931 he was elected Vice Chancellor for Andhra University, and in 1939 he became the Vice Chancellor of Benares Hindu University. Dr. Radhakrishnan was elected the Vice President of India in 1952, and he served 2 terms as the Vice President. And in 1962 he was the President of India. He was a statesman, a distinguished leader, but above all a remarkable teacher. He was the first Indian to teach in the prestigious Oxford University. Today, as we celebrate the Teachers' Day, it is apt that the country not only honors the greatness of Dr. Radhakrishnan, but it also acknowledges the contribution of teachers to the nation building. Because, as the famous saying goes, a learned person instructs, but an intellectual person informs, and the teacher transforms and inspires. After all, the quality of the nation depends on the quality of the teachers. Teachers' Day is a special day dedicated to all the teachers who play an important role in the lives of the students. They help them to improve their knowledge, skill level, confidence, and personality. Above all, they shape them in the right direction to get success. So the students too have some responsibilities towards their teachers. The students get this opportunity once in a year to show their respect and love and to thank them for the dedicated service that they render to their students. Teachers are the nation builders by building the future citizens of our country. It was President Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan who advised us to celebrate the Teachers' Day on his birthday. On this occasion, I wish all the teachers of the Diocese of Varanasi a very happy Teachers' Day. May God bless your good work and continue to build the students who in future become the greater citizens of our country. Thank you.
देते तुम्हें हम लाखों बधाई, करते रहे हम तुम्हारी दुहाई।
देते तुम्हें हम लाखों बधाई, करते रहे हम तुम्हारी दुहाई।
भूलेंगे ना हम तुम्हारी भलाई, भूलेंगे ना हम तुम्हारी भलाई। गुरुजी हमारे आँखों के तारे, जीवन हमारा है अटका किनारे।
गुरुजी हमारे आँखों के तारे, जीवन हमारा है अटका किनारे।
My dear teachers, a very happy Teachers' Day. प्यारे शिक्षक बंधुओं, आप सबको शिक्षक दिवस का हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। A day without going to the school, a day without students, still we celebrate this day. Wish you all of you a very happy Teachers' Day. On behalf of the Diocese of Varanasi, the Bishop, the entire fraternity of teachers and everyone, we wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. We'd like to thank you very specially for your dedicated and committed service, the care that you give to our students, the way that you deal with our parents and taking care of the entire system of education. Thank you very much, my dear teachers. We are going through a tough time. I'm able to understand the feelings that you go through at this moment. Most of you holding on to your gadgets, trying to improve what you have done the previous day, trying in and bringing in a lot of creativity and making the class more lively and interesting for the students so that the learning process goes on. Thank you so much for your wonderful work. In spite of all the odds, you have been doing wonderfully well. Keep up, we are with you. We are going through a tough times in all the ways, socially, economically, emotionally, and all the more financially. It is said, between stimulus and response, there is a space. In that space, we have the power to choose. In that response, we have the power to grow and the power to have that freedom. We wish that you have the right choice. We wish that you have right response to sail through this difficult and tough time. It is said, tough time never lasts, but tough people do so. Having that confidence and trust in God the Almighty, the Supreme Power, the Creator of us all, we sail on, we journey across the world. We'd like to thank you for all your service that you're rendering. Today, in a very special way, we want to thank you. We want to thank your parents, your dear ones, those who are supporting you in giving this right education. My dear teachers, let us sail across, having that trust and confidence in God the Almighty. We have been given this special mandate to continue this creation of forming and mending the children, those who are given to our care. Today, in a very special way, I'd like to thank each one of you. हम सबको हमारे धर्म प्रांत की तरफ से, बिशप की तरफ से, सभी पुरोहितगण की तरफ से, we want to wish you a very, very happy Teachers' Day. May God bless each one of you. Continue the good work that you are doing, and definitely God will reward you and make you the best teachers that ever people have seen in the world. Have a wonderful time. Have a happy Teachers' Day. May God bless you. Thank you.
जय हो जय हो जय हो गुरुवर, तूने मुझको चुन लिया प्रभुवर। नाम से तूने बुलाया, आत्मा से तूने संभाला, जीवन सफल बनाया, सेवक अपना बनाया। दिल में बसाया, राह दिखाया, दिल में बसाया, राह दिखाया, मार्ग सत्य जीवन ज्योति मेरे गुरुवर सतगुरु यीशु। जय हो जय हो जय हो गुरुवर, जय हो जय हो। अमृतवाणी वचन तुम्हारा, शब्द तू ईश्वर, सत्य तू ईश्वर। अमृतवाणी वचन तुम्हारा, शब्द तू ईश्वर, सत्य तू ईश्वर। जीवनदायी वचन तुम्हारा, मुक्ति दिलाता वचन तुम्हारा, जीवनदायी वचन तुम्हारा, मुक्ति दिलाता वचन तुम्हारा। तू ही है मेरा प्रेम सहारा, मेरे गुरुवर सतगुरु यीशु। जय हो जय हो जय हो गुरुवर, जय हो जय हो जय हो गुरुवर। गुरु मेरी पूजा, गुरु मेरा ज्ञान, गुरु मेरा ईश्वर, गुरु मेरा चरवान। गुरु मेरी पूजा, गुरु मेरा ज्ञान, गुरु मेरा ईश्वर, गुरु मेरा चरवान। गुरु चरणों की महिमा गाए, जीवन अपना सफल बनाए। गुरु चरणों की महिमा गाए, जीवन अपना सफल बनाए। तू ही है मेरा प्रेम सहारा, मेरे गुरुवर सतगुरु यीशु। जय हो जय हो जय हो गुरुवर, तूने मुझको चुन लिया प्रभुवर। नाम से तूने बुलाया, आत्मा से तूने संभाला, जीवन सफल बनाया, सेवक अपना बनाया। दिल में बसाया, राह दिखाया, दिल में बसाया, राह दिखाया, मार्ग सत्य जीवन ज्योति मेरे गुरुवर सतगुरु यीशु। जय हो जय हो जय हो गुरुवर।
Dear friends, I extend my cordial and joyful greetings of Teachers' Day to each and every one of you. You are well aware of the scenario of school education in the prevailing pandemic environment. Behavioral changes, emotional distress, readapting to classroom climate, maintaining safety guidelines, etc., will pose a great challenge for you teachers. Smooth transition, what we are hoping for, to normalcy will be a tough test. What I want to share with you and motivate you is to develop the unique skill which is the need of the hour called emotional intelligence. That is, ability to know your own emotion and that of the other, in order to empathize with students and parents and others at an emotional level and rebuild relationship for carrying out educational task. You need to cultivate very sound self-awareness that will breed spiritual intelligence in you in order to engage effectively with the students and all. On this day, I wish you the best. I wish you Happy Teachers' Day and God's blessings upon you. Thank you.